Welcome to the comprehensive introduction of the sandwich biscuit packaging line. Now, let's find out how this efficient, intelligent packaging line can help your productivity increase. In the operation process of sandwich biscuit packing line, the first is the feeding process. The biscuits, through vibration, fall evenly onto the conveyor belt and are automatically transported to the sandwiching process area. We are equipped with cream stirrer and cream hopper. The cream hopper is used for storing and supplying cream. When the packing line is started, the cream stirrer will be automatically activated to make sandwiches and stir the cream evenly. Both the hopper and stirrer are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel to ensure the hygiene and safety of the cream, and are equipped with an automatic heating function to keep the cream at the optimum temperature. The cream hopper can be moved to change position for easy cleaning, and each cream hopper has a separate motor and water tank. After mixing, the cream needs to be conveyed from the hopper to the sandwich extrusion and filling process by means of a stainless steel gear pump. The design of the gear pump ensures stability and consistency of the cream during transfer, avoiding any possible leakage or clogging. Next, the cream extruder is responsible for extruding the cream at an even flow and ensuring a consistent amount of cream for each biscuit sandwich, and the cream filer is responsible for applying the cream precisely to the biscuit surface, and the extruded amount can also be precisely controlled according to the product demand. There is a photoelectric sensing system inside, which detects the biscuits by photoelectricity, so that there is no leakage of cream without biscuits, and the supply of biscuits is resumed automatically when there are biscuits. Moving on to the unloader unit, we use vibration technology to automatically count and unload the biscuits, ensuring that each biscuit enters the packing process accurately. The unloader is designed to be highly efficient and can greatly improve the efficiency of the packaging line. Next, the biscuits infused with the sandwich will enter the encapsulation stage. The machine will put the biscuits into the pre-prepared bags and heat seal them. This process not only ensures the sealing of the package, but also effectively prevents the intrusion of outside air and moisture, keeping the biscuits fresh. The whole packaging process is unified management by PLC control system. Through the color touch screen to set the machine parameters, the control system supports multi-language. Parameter adjustment is simple and easy to use. The machine settings, hopper control, and speed adjustment of the equipment can be quickly completed through the screen to adapt to the needs of different products, and at the same time, simplify the operation process. The flexibility, ease of operation, ease of cleaning and food safety of the sandwich biscuit packaging line improves packaging efficiency across the board, making it the ideal choice for modern sandwich biscuit packaging. If you would like to know more, please contact us.